part of the trick of digging trails in a working forest is that you're going to get a blank canvas. You're going to have that block of land for 32 years from when they plant it to when they harvest it. I knew what I wanted out of it all. I built it for me, but it needed to be bomb-proof. It needs to do lots of jobs. We dig on a Monday night for 3 hours at a time, and so you can swing that around for 3 hours. You'll be knackered by the end of it, but you will have got quite a lot done. We have 6 guys and we can get 100 metres done in that 3 hours. I had some feedback from the godfather of mountain biking in New Zealand, Simon Kennett, and he's like, oh, just try taking the ends off the points. And yeah, sure enough, massive difference. Just didn't catch on the roots and stuff, and you know, it was a weird little detail, but it made such a big difference. Raking side of it as well, they are reasonably sharp, and because it's good steel, it holds an edge. That and a shovel, and you'll get most of the job done. And then at the end of the dig, you've got the bottle opener. The first one is bought by the president or the treasurer, and then they take it to a trail build, and then someone else will pinch it, and then they've got to get another 6 to keep everyone else happy. Charnel, Whangarei over in Australia, Cairns to Melbourne, Tasmania, quite a lot to Tasmania, UK and the States where it's been bought as a birthday present, so it's a little bit special. They might probably be over-engineered because I'm welding them on both sides of the plates and everything else, but I know that they're going to come back week after week, year after year. Really cool feedback to have from people that they're a good solid tool. I want that to be one of the core values of WMC. There's more trails, there's more smiles, so it's all good. You go home and drink your cold beer after a big ride. The trail pixies don't just come out of the creek and do it. It's real people getting out there and doing it. It's a lot of fun digging as well. You know, it's good and physical. You're actually creating something from it.